We are analyzing this Forex market for you, okay? In case if you are just coming, you are welcome. You need to watch the replay. You need to watch the replay because there's no need to waste time. So as you are coming in, don't forget to share this podcast. And I don't know if you are hearing me. Let me test. Okay. So the pair we're gonna look, we have like a 3 pair to analyze. Only 3 pair we're gonna analyze. So maybe as I'm here now, you might not be able to see my chart, but I'm on my chart. I will be telling you what I'm analyzing here. So this is a weekly Forex analysis. Okay. And today's date is March 4, 2025. So in case you're watching this video, this live in the future, just know it could be a past one you are watching. That's why I have to mention the date of today. Now, let's go into our analysis. The first thing we're going to analyze is the USD JPY. Okay. So, right in front of me right now, the USD JPY brings a kind of a buy. But we all know that the big trend of the USD JPY for now, it's a big sell, okay? And we're gonna analyze it in a way that it will be easy for you to understand and you will not make mistake. Now, the big trend of the USD JPY happens to be a sell, which is the biggest trend of the USD JPY. Okay, but the signal analysis we have right now brings a kind of retracement buying. Okay, so we are not going to look at the USD JPY as if it's going to buy, but we're going to analyze it to let you be aware that if this happens, this is what you're going to do. So, based on this analysis, I hope everybody, you are on your chart. If you are on your chart, I want you to just open this pair that I'm going to talk about. And the way I'm talking about it, I want you to be ruling it on your chart. The USD JPY, if this is going to be a buy, like maybe a retracement buy, okay? So, we will want it to cross the level of 149.922. It has to cross the level of 149.922 and close above it. Okay? If the USD JPY cross the level of 149.922 and close above it, that is when we will accept it as a buy. As you are here, you can rule it on your chart. This is analysis of the USD JPY. If it crossed the level of 149.222 and then it retrace and close above it and stay above that figure, that is when we're going to take the USD as a buy. You know, the reason why I am repeating this is because there are new people coming in. Okay? If I've gone too far, before you ever come in, maybe you can rewind this live show. This is very important. I've said the USD if it is going to be a buy, it is going to cross the level of 149.922 and then it will close above it. That is when we can pick a buy or believe it's a buy. But when we talk of the buy in the USD we're looking at it like a kind of retracement, little buy. Okay? Because the main big trend is a sell. You understand? And as we are all Forex traders with experience, we know that even within the big trend, there will be retracement. So if the USD now calls the 149.922 and then close above it, then that is when we take it as a buy, a valid buy. Okay, in that case, if I'm going to put a take profit level in this kind of entry, I might say, okay, the take profit level could be like 151.202. 151.202. You understand? The take profit might be 151.202. You understand? That is the case of the USD as a buy, a retracement buy. But if we have to follow the big trend, which happens to be a sell, which has been selling all this while, you know, we can say, okay, from this level of 149.341, 149, okay, I see you, Izul Kage, okay, you are from Indonesia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. You know I got a lot of fans all over the world. I got people from India, Indonesia, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, South Africa, you know. Just thank you, everybody. You know, as you are coming in, I see you, I greet you, but you know, I'm not looking on the camera, I'm looking on the screen. So if I don't notice you come in, please just know I greet you already. So if we are going to take it for a sell, that we have to follow the big trend. If we want to now take it for a sell, okay, we're going to say, if it now comes and close below, I want you to rule a line on your chart. If it comes back, if the USD comes back right now and close below 149.341, if it closed below 149.341, now you will believe it's a sell. That is the original trend. The level number 2, if it comes and close below 149.089, 149.089, I want you to rule a line on those levels I'm calling. Those are very important levels. 149.089, if the USD close below it, that is a big sell happening in the market. okay? And I'm going to tell you the level that it will break, that you will know that the sell trend continuation has become very strong. If it cross, if it breaks, okay, now this is the place it will break, that you will believe that this trend is very strong and it continues. And that is when you will bring all your indicators that can show you to sell. That is when you bring it in your arrow, whatever you are using, double top, whatever. That is when you bring it in to come and follow the sell. If it breaks the level 148.571, and that happens to be the previous low, if that level is broken, right on, it's a big sell. 148.571. If that level is broken, and the price remain below it, just do whatever you can as a sell. You can wait for anything, your arrow, your break and retest, whatever, your double top or whatever you are using to identify your own trend following signal. You can use it. For those of you that you don't have anything to follow the trend or to identify the trend, look under the description of this live show. Okay, there's something I have there that says get trend scanner. Okay, because this is going to help anybody. You don't need to come and trade blindly. Okay, that's it. But for me, I'm sat here, I've already told you the levels for buy and the levels for sell, that if those levels are broken, you can do. If the level of 149.922 broken, I've already told you guys, look to buy. That is a retracement buy on the USD JPY. Your take profit if you buy is going to be 151.222 or 223. That is the high where the price bounced back. Now, for the level of sell, I told you, now, if it's going to cross below 149.345 or 346, I believe it's on that level right now, trying to break it. If it breaks it and close below it, that is your first sell. Your second sell, if it breaks the level of 149.068 or 0.075, rule your line on that zone. If it breaks it, that is your second sell. But if the level of 148.557 is broken, that is the biggest sell you should ever follow, because that will lead to a kind of extension of Fibonacci to sell, continue to sell when that level is broken. You all know how to target your pips. You know how to target your pips. Okay, my take profit might be different from yours, but for me, from all these entries, I just make a target of, like, if I'm buying as a retracement, I know I just target 100 pips. But if it's all about the trend following, I know my target for the week is just like 300 pips, 400 pips. But as I put my entry, first entry 100 pips, second entry 100 pips, third entry 100 pips. This is how I make my 300 pips per week. So That is that about the USD JPY analysis. I don't know. Okay, AI Caldwell. How are you too? I hope you are good. All right. So that's it about the USD JPY. If anybody have a question, you can type it. I will see it. I will respond to you immediately. You understand? This is the real Forex. It's not a Forex where we come to joke. You can see. You can see. The market is playing according to what we are talking about. This is the USD JPY. Okay? Now, we will now go away from the USD JPY to go and bring the next pair. But one thing I'm going to tell you guys is that you have to focus on the one pair that you like best. Okay? Don't say because I'm analyzing 10 pairs, then you're going to take all the 10 pairs. It doesn't work that way. You see the way I analyze the USD JPY, right? I analyze condition for buying and condition for buying now on my analysis is only one entry, which is a pending entry, or which you got to look it if the price, of course, above that level. And the condition for selling entry, I gave you 2 entries or 3 entries or 2 entries. 2 levels to be crossed and 1 last level to be broken, which is 3. I think that is even enough for any trader for the week. So if you follow only one pair, the way I've analyzed the USD JPY, you just go on your chart, you roll it, and then you sit and you look how it's playing. As you can see, the sell I told you, you can see that the sell I told you is already playing. The sell I told you is already playing. Okay? All right. It is not like because the sell is playing now, it doesn't mean the buy will never play. The buy will play later. Maybe next week, the buy will play. Because I want you to know how the Forex market moves. If you look at your chart, if we tell you something is a downtrend, within the downtrend, there is up, down. Up, down. It's creating the high, the low. The high, the low. You know, even if it's trading inside support resistance zone, if it's a downtrend, it is trading it going down, going down. You understand? So, it doesn't mean that buy will never play. That buy will play, but maybe not today. If the sell play, follow the sell. USD JPY, that is it. Now, let's get out of that. We'll bring you another pair. The second pair we're going to talk about is, let's say, AUDCHF. I know many people don't even like, many people don't like this type of pair, you know. But sometimes sometimes they are profitable. You understand? Sometimes they are profitable. Okay. AUDCHF, you guys open your chart and look what I want to analyze for you. Okay, give me 1 minute while I go, I go ease myself. I will be back. Okay, guys, we are back. No, we are back. Joseph, USG pay sounds like USG BA Bobby Bye. I didn't see everything you write. Maybe you can make it short so that I can see it. I didn't see everything you write. Joseph, you are welcome. You know, everybody, as you are coming in, I hope you like this show. You give it a thumbs up. Okay. Because I want you guys to understand that when you are coming to a show like this, you need to give it a thumbs up so that, the algorithm can, know we are doing something good. You understand? So next time we come in, they don't kick us out. So now, AUDCHF. I hope you guys are ready. Are you ready for this analysis? AUDCHF. I've seen a lot of guys, they don't like this type of pair. Yeah. Even me, I don't like this type of pair also, but if it's the only pair that give the signal, there's no choice. Got to take it. You understand? I remember there was a pair that I took about maybe 4 weeks ago, a month ago. I forgot the name of the pair. It looks like EURGBP or whatever. And I got into that pair. This pair, took big margin. I took it, big margin. I was sitting down there waiting. It never moves. 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, it never moved. Just hanging there like, you know. I was so forced to close it and just say, man, I'm not for this type of pair that would never, never move. No, they're those type of pair. They will never move. They will just be there. They will hold your money. Those pairs you should avoid, or we should avoid those type of pair. Next time when I see those type of pair, I will let you know. I will write it down. I will let you know. These are the kind of pair that you need to avoid. You understand? But AUDCHF or CHF pair is still okay. It's still good. Now, let us analyze the AUDCHF. Okay? As I can see right here, I look at it like the original trend is a downtrend. Yes, the original trend of this pair is a down trend. Okay, but it gives a signal of a buy, which I think that might play not today, it might play in the future. Okay, that if this downtrend change, it will play. Okay, so I'm going to analyze something for you now, which you should rule on your chart. AUDCHF. Okay, I'm using the 1 hour time frame to analyze this thing for you. So if the AUDCHF is going to change into a buy, then that means if it cross 0.56740, I hope you guys you can mark that figures on your chart. 0.56740. If you rule that line on your chart, if AUDCHF cross above that line and close above it, it is a buy. Then if it is a buy at that point, the take profit is going to be 0.57592. 0.57592. That is exactly where it dropped. That is where it dropped. So if that buy will play in the future by next week or whatever, that is where it will get. You understand? But the AUD-CHF, the current trend is a downtrend, which I think different ways to get into this one as a downtrend. Okay? The way I always do it based on this analysis is that I just pen my order on this lowest low that is happening right now, this current low, which is 0.55591 on the 1 hour time frame. This is the low we have right now. So the point is, when we look at the AUD-CHF, okay, the sell has already been playing. It's been playing and it's been so strong, okay, that we have no other place, no other good place that we can say this is going to be a good entry, you know. Okay. But the only thing we can do for a pair that have gone like this is that when we look at the current low, you just draw your line on that current low. When that current low is broken and the price remains under it, then that is how you continue to sell. Okay? That is the analysis. You understand? But the point is, you see, now we are live talking. Okay, when this live finish, at least we are no more live. And all these things I've analyzed for you will be playing. Okay, I hope you have your own extra tool that will give you that entry, that will tell you it's time to get in. If you have it, very good. If you are a kind of experienced Forex trader that you have been trading for like 5, 6, 7 years, that's okay, because you entry or judgment is not going to be your own problem. But if you know that you have problem with the entry, when to enter this trade that I have analyzed, if you know you have a problem with that, see the description of this live show. You see that thing I wrote there that I said, see trend scanner. Just go and look at it and see what that one does. If that is what is going to save you, get it. Because even though we have analyzed the market for you exactly like this, you don't have anything that can guide you and tell you you have a good analysis on your fingertips, but this is the time to enter. If you don't have that one, you will still do the wrong entry. The analysis we have done for you is not a beginner's analysis. It is advanced analysis. If you look at those analyses, it is like double-edged sword. double-edged sword, like a Swiss army. If you know about the Swiss army strategy, a strategy that leaves nothing on the table, is going to pack everything in the market and eat it. It doesn't want to leave anything. It is like a strategy of a greedy trader, a trader that want to make money. Whether the market goes up or it's going down, those traders, they want to make money. This is the strategy. But do you have what indicator or tools that will now tell you when those lines begin to get broken and all those analysis began to play in your front, what is going to guide you to get in? Because I know that time you're going to be alone on your own, right? Good. If this applies to you, you see that tool I put there, just go and watch the video. There is a that tool has video. Once you click the link, you watch the video. If that is what is going to help you, pick it up and use it. All right? Now, this life will never be more longer than this. You understand? Because I'm still going to come. I'm going to come later. Okay? I'm still going to come later. When I see another new signal, I will come out again. I will be live again. You understand? So you guys, you have to push the notification bell, because I know many of you, you just subscribed to the channel, but you did not push the notification bell. So try to push the notification bell. You understand? And try to share the live also, so that your friends, they can benefit from this. We all need to benefit. We all need to trade together and benefit together. You understand? That is how we build a good community. Community of people with the same mindset. This is how we build it. You understand? So, don't overtrade. That is another advice. Don't overtrade. Don't use a lot that is going to destroy your account. Look at your account. Calculate 1% of your balance, 1% of your equity. That is what you use to enter per signal. This is what is not going to blow your account. If you are a professional trader right here, you've been trading for 6-7 years, you understand that, when the market begins to play, that is the time you can, say, okay, let me put additional entries. Because you, as a professional trader, you can understand that, okay, it is really playing. And you know where to get out. Like I said, 100 pips. But those beginner traders that not yet they know anything, 1% of your equity is what you will use. You don't need to be you don't need to be greedy. You don't need to say, okay, thank God for this signal. I can use it to make money so quick. You have to think. This signal will continue coming as long as I continue to come live. So if you take only one pair, you rule it on your chart, you say, this is the pair I want to take. 1% of my equity per one entry. When I win it, I know another signal is coming, right? I know this guy is going to come live and share another signal again. That should be your driving force. Your driving force is not to take one analysis and then you go and really risk everything you have in your account because of only one analysis. That doesn't work. So definitely, man, this is going to be the end of this show. You can see the USDJPY. It's playing. Okay, it's playing. This is your Forex boy, Forex Strategy Factory. we talk and the market happens. So guys, take care. Thank you. I will come out again. I will come out again. Push the notification bell. Share, share, share. I will come out again when I see signal. So when I come out, you will be notified. I'm coming out again. Not now, later. Thank you and bye-bye.